I'm Caron McQuade's, I'm a nurse from Edinburgh, and we've recently sold our property on 33C Pinkie Road in Musselburgh through McEwan Fraser Legal. We were recommended them by a friend and also recognised them through reputation. We arranged a consultation with Robin Rook, who came to our house within a couple of days. My car broke down the same night, so we had to leave him sitting waiting for us. I did offer to reschedule, but he was more than happy to wait, which to me was a really good first impression. When I finally arrived that night, we sat and went through all the questions we'd had. We'd never sold a house before. He left us with a pack to go over the prices, all the things that are important in your mind. 2 days later, we decided to go ahead with the sale, and we were immediately put in touch with a photographer who came within that week. Brochures that arrived that were very glossy, made the house look fantastic. And I think within a fortnight we were actually online, handed to the marketing administrator, who I think his name, I can't remember his name, but anyway, the whole team, there's various people that contact you regularly. You have on a message board, which is a service that you can access anywhere. Download the app onto your phone, it's sort of stuck to your hand because it's very addictive to see on how the sale's progressing, not the sale, how the marketing is going. They put your property on lots of different websites, some that I'd never even heard of. Within 24 hours, we had an offer on the house. The first person that came through the door fell in love with it, and our for sale sign wasn't even up outside. So we thought we'd sit on that, carry on looking for a property for us to move into. We hadn't found anywhere at that point. 24 hours later, we had found a property being sold by McEwan Fraser Investments, which we fell in love with, so decided to accept the offer. And then we were put in touch with McEwan Fraser Legal solicitors, Louise and McLaren, who was fantastic from day one, filled us in on all the legal side of things, the pathway, what would happen, very patient, because it was all a jargon to me, a different language, and things progressed, and we're going okay until about a week before, when everything fell apart and we lost the sale, which means we lost the house that we had fallen in love with. So that was very devastating. We were all packed up in boxes, it was just complete devastation. Again, lots of support from the staff. We were put straight back in touch with the marketing administrator, and we were live again within 24 hours on the website, the message board again. You pick yourself up, you dust yourself down and get back to the job, and they were very much like that. They pushed the marketing aspect of things. We had, over the next fortnight, lots of different people coming to view, and thankfully one of those people fell in love with the place again and put an offer in, so within a fortnight again we were under offer, and because of that we were able to re-offer on the property through McEwan Fraser Legal Investments. So we started the whole process again, and not without hiccups. The date of entry was moved 4 times. But throughout the whole experience, the communication from all of the staff in the team was faultless. At the beginning, we weren't really sure what to expect, and I'm led to believe that our experience was probably a bit more stressful than most. But at the end of the day, Ken McEwan and McEwan Fraser, you might pay a little bit extra for the quality service, but that is exactly what you get. It's a no-brainer. And I thoroughly would recommend them to anybody that's even considering moving, because if we hadn't chosen wisely at the beginning, we wouldn't be in this house now.
McEwan Fraser Legal, raising new standards in estate agency.